I'm sharing my beauty favorites. And let me tell you, girl, I've been missing for a minute, but it's not that I meant to. Life was just lifing. But I'm back. Hello, how are you? And I have some favorites to share. So first and foremost, let me tell you about my lash journey. I love eyelash extensions. I truly love them. I love taking a nap when I get them done. But do I like spending all that money? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And I heard from Serene Wu. I love her. I'm going to tag her or like put her info down below. She uses You Cool Me. I asked like on Instagram, I was like, oh, what is your favorite lash bond? What's your favorite DIY lash extensions? Because honey, I've tried them all, okay? I did videos on them. I've tried so many and none would stay put overnight because I'm a side sleeper. Well, let me tell you, You Cool Me works. The bond is literally everything. And I have so many tips to share. I want to do like a dedicated like Instagram reel video, TikTok video, like doing a full-blown tutorial on how to do it because I feel like the steps really matter. But let me say, You Cool Me, the bond is everything. And you don't even, if you didn't want to, you don't have to like get the clusters or repurchase the clusters. You can get random ones on Amazon. I have like a whole list of my favorite lashes, but the bond is important. You must buy the You Cool Me bond and seal because that one is waterproof. People are swimming. People are just doing the dang thing with those lashes. And I'm telling you right now, I've been testing it out for 2 weeks. Sunrise is a stand. He says, yeah, I see you, dude. I've been testing it out and it works on different kind of lash clusters. This one is the Flora one. On TikTok Shop, I ordered it and it is good. And let me tell you about staying moisturized. It's a must. I mean, it's spring dress season, right? We need to be moisturized, okay? My friend Danielle, bless her heart, she knows I'm crusty. She gave this to me for my birthday, and I was so touched when she gave this to me because I have mentioned this so many times in my videos. It's by Hempz, and the scent that I love is Sweet Jasmine and Rose. It is incredible. And did you see how like gorgeous the skin was looking? We're talking about skincare and, you know, the hot weather and like, if you don't put on deodorant, don't tell me that rock deodorant works. Don't tell me that lemon and salt or whatever DIY deodorant situation you think works. No, you smell. And what you need is some real deodorant. You need a friend to tell you the dang truth. Okay? Okay, now that we've had that hashed out, Saltair. I don't know how to say it, Saltair, I think? Santal Bloom, girl. Just put it on. Put it on. It smells incredible. It smells like perfume to me. It works well, and it's like a natural brand. It's a skincare deodorant, and it says it works for 24 hours. Girl, I do not know if it works for 24 hours. I shower after the gym. I shower before I go to bed. I shower twice a day. Like, I can't tell you whether or not it works 24 hours, but what I can tell you is it lasts during a stinky, sweaty workout. Oopsie, sorry, audio. But yeah, it lasts. Look at my Sunrise. He went through surgery and everything, and he is still doing the dang thing. Come here, baby. You show them who you are. You show them you a fighter. Anyways, you know what's been fighting for its dang life lately? My skin. I don't know what happened. I turned 39. The journey or the whole struggle started last year. I don't know what happened, my friend, but once I turned 38 and then now I'm 39, something happened with my skin and I started getting eczema. And it wasn't like a cute kind that you can manage, like, oh, it goes away. No, it's forever. Right, Sunrise? Forever. And so I struggle with eczema. And I purchased quite a few things that I see and nothing worked. Even prescription triamcinolone didn't work. And then I put this on my face, Skin Fix Eczema Dermatitis Relief Balm. It says it's for your face and body. I have gone through 5. I kid you not, 5. I am a stand for life. This works so well. It relieves redness. It like makes my skin super soft. Sometimes I use it just as moisturizer on top of my face after like a crazy like allergic reaction. I also found out I'm allergic to perfume on my skin directly and also any mascara. So I've been struggling, girl. I've been struggling. Yeah. Oh, by the way, you know how I showed you the DIY lashes? let me tell you, you need a fan. It helps if you use a fan to dry your lashes, because let me tell you, if your lashes are dry, when you bond it better, it doesn't stick to each other, and it's just amazing. So get yourself a fan. Of course, I'm linking everything here for you. And then, oh my gosh, you know how I said I'm allergic to perfume directly on my skin? That doesn't mean that I don't wear it, because I must. Like, I love perfume. Perfume is like a part of me. Like, there's something about it that I love so much. And let me tell you, I love Jackie Aina. I have all 4 of her perfume, full size. But something about this one, Hard to Get Forever Mood, it smells sweet. It smells summery. It's layerable. I can put it on my hair and it could smell so amazing. I put it on my jackets. I put it on my clothes before I put it on, and I smell incredible. This one smells like a pound cake. It smells sweet. For some reason, I'm getting a bit of citrus, like a lemon shortcake, a lemon bar. And I just, it's just the perfect summer scent, or for me, everyday scent. So you need to get it. And if you're looking for a really good lip oil, I don't know if this is the worst or best thing ever to happen in my life, but the moment Clarins sent this to me, SPR, I never went back. I started buying it, and I'm like, why you gotta be so expensive? Why you gotta be like that? But oh my gosh, the way it smells. Clarins lip oil in pitaya or raspberry. Look at that. The way it feels, the way it smells, everything about it, I love. And I've gone through so many of it. So yeah, I got it SPR, and then I got obsessed, and now I use it all the time. Kind of like the Skin Fix. They gave it to me SPR first, and now I went through 5 of them. 5. And because my skin is so crusty, dusty from the eczema, I don't know what happened. I had to change my makeup and my skincare, and this is my favorite like primer, and it's a hydrating primer that has hyaluronic acid and coconut water. Let me tell you about it though. It's thick, but sometimes a girl needs some thick in her life, okay? You know what I mean? A little thickness never hurt nobody, okay? Clearly, this little Milani Skin Quench is not on Ozempic. It stay thick, okay? And it be doing that. And by the way, if you guys are curious, I'm obviously not. Clearly, I gained weight from last year. And I'm not mad at that. I just like boba, and I like to eat. You know how I'm like crusty, dusty everywhere because of my eczema and all of that? Well, I had to change and kind of figure out what works for my skin as far as moisturizer. Sometimes if my skin is so bad, I'll just use this as my moisturizer, but it needs more moisture because I'm crusty, dusty, dry lately. And so Tatcha, it has a smell. It really does. You see that? This moisturizer, I've gone through about, I had a full size one and a mini size. So like 3 of these guys. And this is the Big Mama size. And I love how they have a little scoop so you don't like put your fingers up in there. You just scoop it out. What I like to do is I scoop it and I put it straight to my face. That could be still unsanitary because it's going to my face. And then, but whatever the case, my fingers are not going up in there, right? It is super moisturizing. I wake up and my face doesn't have like the crusty spots that I usually have because of my eczema now. And it just feels hydrated. It feels like it's actually working and it's not just temporarily masking with a baby bit of moisture. It's actually working overnight. And I wake up with my skin like, oh, hi, you look nice. So I appreciate you, Tatcha, for that. Yeah. And then lately, I've been a DIY girl. I'm out here saving money, okay? I'm not DIYing my coffee often, but girl, let me just do little baby steps. First the lashes. Well, first the nails and then the lashes, but I'm telling you, any like press-on nails, whatever, they all work quite well depending on your nail shape, right? But not all glue are created equally. This one by Glamnetic, it's a brush on and it's so good. You need to try it. I'm sorry. You need this. Don't try those other nail glues. This one is it, okay? Sometimes my eyes are red because of allergy season. And so sometimes I'll wake up with like red eyes. And allergy season has been tough on my family. We're all allergic, okay? And so I put this in my eye. It's by Lumify. And it helps whiten my eyes like literally in 2 seconds, instantly. Boop, boop, 2 drops. Pop, pop. Eyes are white. They look so good and they look healthy. I don't know, something about the whites of your eye. A little bit of eye drop just makes a huge difference, at least for me. And then the last thing I wanted to share, I don't know if I want to celebrate, cry, I don't know. But Justin gave this to me on my birthday. And it's a magnesium body butter. I was a little salty. I'm not even going to lie. I'm going to be like, how dare my husband? How dare this man give me magnesium cream? Like, what is this? Like, why are you so cruel to me? What you doing? Making fun of me because it's my last year, my 30s. How you going to do me like that? But then I put it on. I read about it. And I'm telling you, it works so well for the knees. You just grab a little bit. And it's made out of cocoa butter, or so it smells like it. Oh, shea, cocoa, mango butter with magnesium. It says it's a fast and effective relief. I'm telling you, it works. I put it on my knees. And also, magnesium helps you calm down. So before I go to bed, sometimes I'll put it on Justin's feet. I know. Like, what kind of wife? I'm out here touching his bare feet. Okay, but he does shower before bed too. So I put it on his bare feet. I put it on mine. And it helps me sleep. It just helps me calm down. So I really like it and I recommend it. I gotta ask Justin where he got it and link it, because I'm telling you, you need to know about this. And I think it's a small business that makes this. And so we're out here supporting small businesses, okay? Anyways, those are my favorites. I'll also link my dress because I love these types of dresses. I have it in yellow, this color, and I also have it in orange. I low-key want to get it in black also and white. There's something about the contrast of it. I don't know. I just really like it. But yeah, that's it, my friends. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment below your favorites. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I'm there most of the time. I do little mini vlogs here and there. I do clean with me's on Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.